So, debate. We are going to start debate. Debate will take place. Okay. And the topic of the debate I was about to give, that is, now I'm giving, that is smartphone. I knew that you know it, but because whole week I kept giving this topic, that's why you got to know I know it. I know you as well. So,
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rimsha. Today I would like to speak against the mobile phone. So my first argument which I would like to put over here, that is about distraction. That smartphone is a distraction for the students and for teenagers. Because of mobile phone they are unable to study. Okay. And I would say that the cyber crimes are increasing because of mobile phone, smartphone. That's all.
Okay, so if I talk about the cyber crimes, security theft, or many more things you told, so sister, I don't think that today these things are in the effect. Like all of the people sitting here have the mobile phone. Ask to them that any virus has come to the mobile phone. Still, no. Even to my mobile phone, no one has appeared in my mobile phone as the virus. Like there is no kind of video leak of mine, photo leak of mine, or something leak.
Brother, what
There
are
is
you
nothing
saying?
like that.
Government keep on saying us, means government keep on awareing us these that these kind of yeah, government keeps on making, government keeps on making us aware that this kind of cyber crime is happening. Please be aware to the people of nation. So
That's
what
what
are
I'm
you
saying.
saying?
That's what I'm saying. That because we are aware, that's why today there is no any kind of cyber crime in the effect. That much as you are just highlighting the cyber crime point. Secondly,
I
what I want
said
to say. Secondly,
distraction.
what I want to say is that as distraction you said.
Yeah.
So you and that boy, he also told about the distraction. Masoom Sharma. I just heard first time the name of Masoom Sharma. I don't know who the hell is this Masoom or whatever the work he does. What? I literally I didn't hear that. I didn't know that. Just today I got to know about the Masoom Sharma or
Brother,
that
this is
Khatola,
this
whatever that
about
is.
this.
So whatever that I just heard it first time. So how can you say that everyone is
I
distracted
didn't
by that?
mention
I'm
about
not. Are
Masoom
you?
Sharma.
Are you distracted? Are
Yeah,
you distracted?
yeah,
You are
brother.
distracted.
Brother,
What the hell, sister?
let me explain, please.
So it is the
please.
fault of you.
When
It is the fault of
when
you.
I look
Agree, it
at
is
the
the fault
phone,
of you.
when
I am not distracted, so I cannot agree with your point because I am not. Because I am not, and I believe if people want, if you want from your heart, you can get away from that mobile phone. As I have done that thing. So it depends on you, and I think you don't want to do that. You just want to stick onto the mobile phone, want to just scroll the reels and all those kind of things, not prepare for any exam. It's your fault, not my fault, and I don't agree with that point of yours.
Okay, now let me explain it. How do I get distraction with the mobile phone? Okay,
I don't want to know
whenever
about you. Tell about
I
the people.
start
Tell about the
studying,
people.
I'm telling about myself as well. I will tell about the
Yourself
people as
is
well.
not equal to the people. I want to know about the people, the masses. There are 1.8 billion. No, no, no. There are 8 billion people in the world.
Yeah.
If I want to know about you, or if I get to know about you, how can I calculate the math after that you is equal to
Because
8.1 billion people?
because the
How is that?
tendency of the
If you are
human.
distracted, sister, if you are distracted, you are not aware. You
Okay.
in your mobile
Okay.
phone there is virus and all this kind of. That's your problem. Your
Okay,
mobile
now
problem, not my
let me
problem.
speak, brother.
Not the problem of the people.
Let me speak now. Okay, whenever I start studying. So the distraction what I get, social media is there, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, so many apps are there, YouTube as well. And on YouTube there are so many videos for entertaining ourselves. Internet is there. Internet is that thing by which we can access to the world, all around the world, even the crime places. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about, that we have distraction in mobile phone. And whenever I try to study, so I just go to Instagram and I scroll the reels. This happen with us, with me as well, with everyone. With you can ask to even yourself as a your brother, your niece who all are studying, means who all are sitting here. You can ask, brother, this happen. This is the
Okay,
human
sister.
tendency.
Okay, sister. As you told about the distraction, the YouTube notifications, WhatsApp notifications, if you chat with someone, I don't know, or the Instagram notifications, if you chat with someone, I don't know. YouTube entertainment things. You just watch the videos of Round to Hell, Ashish Chanchalani, Harsh Beniwal,
Please stop.
this that. That's your problem, not the problem of mine. You know what? There is no any kind of
I didn't count your
entertainment. There is no any kind of
problem, brother. I
entertainment
told
feed in
my
my mobile
problem
phone.
and
See,
the 8 billion people.
see. You can open the feed of my brother, mine, and some of the people whom I know. You can open their feed. Like for example, Ishan. If I open his feed on the YouTube or the Instagram, business related things will come. If I open my feed, the educational things will come. If I
Okay.
open someone else,
Okay,
so someone else,
do you know,
something
do you
else
know
will
what
come. Not like
educated
you Round to
people
Hell.
say? What educated people say, that they say keep away from those things which is distraction. Okay, so mobile phone
That's
is a
what you have to do.
distraction. So
That's not
I am
what-
saying
that's not what
mobile phone is
has
not
to do.
good.
Sister.
Mobile phone is not
That's
good.
not. That's
I'm
not.
against.
Okay, as the wise people have said that get away that thing from yourself which just distracts yourself. Okay, you just have to distract. You just have to just get away from the mobile phone. Not the
Yeah.
mobile phone has to do that thing. Okay, you have to go away from that. Not the mobile phone. Okay.
Brother, do you
Another
agree
thing.
that all
If I talk about
the
the mobile
things we
phone,
have in the mobile phone?
Yes.
So distraction also, and the studious things also we have in the mobile phone.
why are you
So-
having that? That's not my problem. That's not my problem. If you're having that,
What?
my problem is that.
Internet,
My problem
brother.
is that. My problem is that I am unable to learn something new with the mobile phone. So I need to change my mobile phone and just buy something new. If I buy a new mobile phone, I can just access to the Chat GPT, Gemini, Flow, Vio, Gemini,
Yeah.
and LLM notebook, whatever. I can go with
Brother-
that. I can access that, and I can earn
Do
with that.
you know
Listen
about
to me.
human
Listen to me.
tendency?
Listen to me. Just listen to me. The human tendency goes to hell. I don't matter. It
Okay.
doesn't matter.
Okay,
That is
okay,
your
okay.
tendency you're telling. And you're telling that your tendency is equal to the human tendency. But that is not a thing. Thank you.
Sorry, he didn't let me speak.
Sorry, sister.